Hey friends, my name is RD Yadav, CSCP from Apex USA. I'm back with a very relevant topic today. That's supply chain agility, a need of new normal. Yes, today's topic is supply chain agility, a need of new normal. In this presentation, let me take you through the key challenges because of the business disruption as we are passing through. Comparative study of traditional versus agile supply chain, how to bounce back in this scenario. What are the dimensions of supply chain agility and how to boost supply chain agility, how to boost it and how to take it to the normal and how to make it, how to bring it to the competitiveness and profitability. So allow me to take you through key challenges because of new normal. If you look at the key challenges, the very first challenge which arises in this scenario is the survival. And then it comes to resilience, means how to bounce back, what to do, how to bring it to normal. Competition, again a very big challenge, and rather it's in a new way the challenges will occur. Not only traditional, rather non-traditional competitors will also arise. Then adaptability to market changes and risk mitigation. How volatility in the customer need, high volatility. There is customer needs are quite volatile. Every day we have to assess the situation. Then business complexity. These are the key challenges we are going to face in the new normal. Let's have a look at new normal needs. As we were doing in the traditional way versus in the agile supply chain, what are the needed, what are the requisites in fact? If we look at the attributes and if we compare it with the traditional supply chain and new normal agile supply chain, there is a market demand. If you look at the market demand front, traditional one was used to have the predictable and now there is a huge volatility. Same way product varieties are going to be higher. Product life cycle used to have been longer, now it is going to be comparatively shorter. And the same way the parameters as we can see ahead. And the key point is that now the time has come to make adjustment dynamically to meet the market needs. So how to utilize agility as a step to bounce back. Dear friends, agility talks about ability to respond to market changes and remain competitive. And how to agile ourselves in the supply chain agility. There is the need of market sensibility, virtual process integration, network based. So we'll take one by one all these dimensions, all these aspects of agile supply chain. Let me take the market sensitivity. This is in the situation like pandemic scenario as we are, seasonality, war situation, political unrest, and other economical situation lead to this sort of situation where we need to be stronger enough to sense the market and take appropriate action at the right time. Now let me take you through the virtual. How to emphasize on the information? Rather, I should say, let the information take place instead in place of the inventory. Earlier, what used to happen? We used to place the inventory at the bottlenecks. What is needed now is that to replace inventory with the information and process integration. Now the time has come when we need to integrate the process across. That starts from the customer to customers and the channel master to supplier. Everyone has to be integrated across one network. And accordingly, network base has to be strengthened and appropriate utilization of technology and EDI has to be used in such a way to synchronize demand and supply. Now we'll have a look at the dimensions of supply chain agility. So in the dimensions, we look at the alertness, accessibility, swiftness, decisiveness, flexibility, level of digitalization, capacity, bonding among partners, risk appetite, and ability to sense the market. So now the notable point is that whatever represents a high level of agility today might not be sufficient to ensure a competitive advantage tomorrow. Means regular assessment and action is very important. Every day, even every day level, every week level, we have to go for the assessment to cope up the changes. Now, let's talk about how to boost supply chain agility. That is the most important thing. How to boost it? Very first thing is that let's go back to basics. Let's simplify our supply chain. Then let's optimize our inventory. And let's go for the process integration as I talked about. And in terms of the optimization of inventory, you can look at my other video which talks about inventory management and CCC. Work on customer segmentation, most important things. Industries have started doing it, but we have to go at the large level by every organization to grow, to work on the customer segmentation. Then competency mapping. Based on the core competency, we need to decide what we need to make internally and what we should outsource based on the competency of the partners. And then, in the last but not least, supply chain digitalization is going to be a key role in bringing the agility across the organizations. So, dear friends, if you have any questions, you can visit to my LinkedIn page given below, and you can put your questions, queries, your suggestions. I assure you to respond you. And also, my dear friends, if you find it beneficial and if you think that your friends in the network circle can get the benefit of it, please forward it to everybody, to everyone whom you think that can get benefited out of it. Let's take it ahead and let's bounce back our industry with the supply chain agility. Thank you so much. Stay connected. Thank you.